Hallo, this is Hans the Dutch guy with much Dutch, and this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent Johan Cruijff, the legendary Dutch soccer, voetbal player, coach and manager. This is the way us Dutchies say Johan Cruijff. Johan Cruijff. There is no real emphasis on any part. Johan Cruijff. Johan Cruijff. The ui sound can be a bit challenging since not a lot of languages has that sound ui. Ui. Cruijff. Johan Cruijff. Johan Cruijff speelde voetbal. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check that out. Tot ziens!